Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of our Roblox Studio series. This one we are going to be working on making an upgrade in the shop so that you can upgrade the amount of stamina that you have. Let's get right into it. First things first, we want to go to server script service, leader stats. We then want to go down to our upgrade 1. And we're going to copy the level and the cost. We can actually put a line there. I'm going to now say dash upgrade 2. Can we upgrade 2 level? This can be upgrade 2 cost. This cost is going to be... I'm going to put this one as 50. Because it should be easier to get. Next, we're going to go to... next we're going to go down to the data store, and then here we're going to have save value. Oh no, we need to make local save value 6 equals. Okay, so first of all, we need to do some catching up now. So we need to say player dot upgrade. Is it? Yeah, I think it's upgrade folder dot upgrade 1 level. Then we're going to have local save. I'm just going to copy that actually. We need to save our upgrades basically. This can be save value 7. This can be player 1 cost. Upgrade 1 cost, sorry. Then I'm going to copy both of these. And then this will be save value 8. That will be 9. This will be 2. And that will be 2. And then here we're gonna get this, drop that a few times. This is gonna be 6. If it let me get rid of it, 6, 7, and 8. And this will be 8, 7, and 6. But then we need one more for number 9, so we're gonna paste it, and then put 9 and 9. Then next, here we're gonna take that, paste it. It's going to be save value 6. This is just going to basically save our this is going to save all of our upgrade values. There we go. And then here's the hard bit. We got to do player.upgrade folder.upgrade 1 level. Was it level? Yep. And then cost, comma, player.upgrade folder dot upgrade 1 cost, comma, player dot upgrade folder dot upgrade 2 level, comma, player dot, and then upgrade folder dot upgrade 2 cost. There we go. That took a while, but we got there. Next, we can close out of our data store. Next, we're going to go to start a GUI. We're going to get our shop GUI. We're going to go to shop, get our scrolling frame, get upgrade 1, duplicate that, make that upgrade 2. I'm going to set the size, the position of upgrade 2 as 0, 0, 0.117, 0. I'm also going to make the shop visible. Also, I'm going to make the descriptions a little bit smaller because they are really big. So just make them a bit smaller than the button itself. Just so that we've then got less of a big description, so it doesn't overtake the button, overlap it. Here, the title here is going to be plus upgrade stamina. That's what this is going to be called. Our purchase, we're going to keep that as it is. Line off. Description, we're going to keep as so for now. The upgrade itself in the fire event, here we're going to have upgrade 2 event. We haven't made that yet, so let's go make that now. Let's go into our upgrade events and go to upgrade 1 event, duplicate it and call it upgrade 2 event. Okay, now let's go to our text and we can say cost equals, here we're going to have the upgrade 2 cost, the level equals upgrade 2 level. Okay, that's pretty much all good for now. Next, I think, is it the purchase button we need? We've done that. Oh yeah, okay. So now we go over to our workspace. We need to go to events, and now we find the upgrade 1 event. We're going to copy all of this and drop it down. In fact, actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get rid of that and paste this in. Now I'm going to write this out. If you don't want to, just go ahead and copy. This one's a bit more complicated, but you lot can copy if you want. So you say game.replicatedStorage.upgrade events.upgrade2 event. Oops. 2 event dot on server event :connect function and then player. This is going to say that whenever that upgrade 2 event that we just made a minute ago is called, then it's going to run this function. I was going to say if player.leaderstats.coins.value is bigger than or equal to player.upgrades. Oops. We can actually copy this bit here. Let's just copy this whole if statement. So if we just get that and copy it and bring it into here, we can adjust accordingly. This will be player 2 cost. Then we're going to minus the player 2 value. Here's going to be upgrade 2 cost is going to times by 1.35. Then the upgrade level is going to be +1. Now there's a bit more that we've got to do, so we've got to say player.stamina.value equals, and then player.upgrades.upgrade to level.value. Is that right? Oh yeah, and then times 250, because we want this to increase by 250 each time. If you wanted this to increase by 50 or whatever each time, then you'd just do times 50 and stuff like that. That's basically just the maths is simple maths behind this. If I just quickly pull up Paint, let's say we have 250, right? That's our starting point, okay? But now what we want to do is upgrade it, but we want to add 250 each time. So let's say we've got level 2, right? That's going to equal 250 times by, and then 2, because that's the level number, which is going to equal, obviously, 500. Now, you may notice a problem with this maths. We start at level 0, don't we? That's the default. So the problem with this maths is that we're going to need some sort of solution, because if it's level 1, that's basically saying that level 1 is also going to be equal to 250 times by 1, which also, let me put that in brackets, and then this is obviously going to equal to 50, which is all the same as our default, which we don't want. So the solution around this is to basically say that if, so my writing on PC is bad, I can't write on PC, so it's very bad, I know. If, and then we basically just want to say if, we basically just want to say if, of course, our level is equal to 1, then what we're going to do is we're going to basically automatically add another 250. So you'll see. So if we go here, and then we say if upgrade to level dot value is equal to 1, then we say the player stamina dot level equals 250. Now, you meant that's probably so what we can do about this is, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to set this to be 300. So as a default, the first one only increases by 50 rather than 250, and then it'll increase by 250. Actually, I'm going to set that to 300, yeah. You lot can obviously change this around all you want, and then, yeah, that's basically it. There's another improvement I'm going to show you in a minute, so because then you'll get odd numbers, like after 300 it'll go to 550 and it just kind of looks bad, so I'll show you how to fix that now. So now to even it off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, after obviously this, I'm going to say if player.upgrades.upgrade 2 level dot value is equal to 2, then I'm going to say player dot stamina dot value minus equals 50. The reason behind this is some simple math. Let me pull out paint again. Right, as you can see, at level 1 we get 300, right? And we start with 250. Each upgrade, let me just fix that O. Each upgrade is plus 250, okay? So at level 2, we're going to have 550 stamina, which is a bit odd. We don't want that, so we want a minus 50, just to kind of, you don't obviously need to do this, I just want to do it to get some even numbers. So we minus 50 to get an even number of 500. So that's the reason we do that, basically. And now if we go test all this, it should all work. So let me make that invisible and play. Moment of truth. Should work. Upgrade folder is not a valid member. What's it? Is it not called upgrade folder? Let me go to oh, it's upgrades, not upgrade folder. Oh no. So rather than upgrade folder, we want dot upgrades, not upgrade folder. Oh no. I don't think we need to change much. Dot upgrade events, no. Yeah, we don't even need to change that much, it's just this. All this upgrade folder stuff. So anything that says upgrade folder we need to change. So let's say upgrade folder, and then, is this an upgrade folder? Yep. Okay, that should now work. That's a shame. Let's have a look now. No errors. We can walk. We have 250 stamina, so let's get to that. And then we got 3,000 coins, so we will be able to upgrade as well. As you can see, we're speeding up a little bit. Right, there we go. Let's cancel that. We can not collect those now because we're full of points. Now when we upgrade, we should get 300 stamina and then be able to walk a bit more. Let's have a look. And then upgrade stam. Oh, our coins are costing 0. Okay, we can fix that in a minute. So let's upgrade now. Upgrade. And that's instantly gone to level 2. Okay. I'll have a look at that. Either way, our stamina is now 500. Okay, so there's a couple of problems. Yeah, okay. Right, I think the way we can fix these, I can go to server script service. If we go down to lead stats, are these definitely starting? Yeah, okay. So maybe change the data store to tutorial 5, I don't know. Just reset the whole data store. Sorry everyone if you can hear my door, it's being Okay, so something's just caught my eye in my data store. So I did not put dot value at the end of these upgrade things, so don't forget to add dot value. I'm going to copy that. I'm not sure if this is the reason why the whole thing's not working. I don't think it would be because it's also adding 2. But we'll give it a go now anyway and we'll try again. Right, so let's run. As you can see, nothing's saved because of that bug, but we fixed it now. So let me just go down to test, client, player, and then let me set my leader stats. Let me set my coins to like 1,000 just for testing. I'm going to set my points to 250 maximum. I'm just not going to sell. Then I'm going to run over. As long as it takes us. We have 1,000 coins because I just added them. Now when we press this, As you can see, we do have our costs now, which is brilliant. Now if we press purchase, it still adds 2 levels, which is strange, but it's taken off our coins. Now I just need to find out why it's adding 2 levels rather than 1. And I think this is going to work. Right, so as you can see, we've got most of our stuff here. Let's just run over. It's going to take us a little while. Let's collect some orbs to speed up the process. Let's cancel that. Actually, no, we do need to sell that, don't we? If you fall over, we'll fix that in a future video, hopefully. Let's run over to our shop. Running over. Okay, we're nearly here. Got 415 coins. Nearly max points. Right, let's buy that once. Okay, it's only added 1 this time. And our stamina's increased. Let's buy it again. It should now go to 500. Yep, then... Okay, it doesn't go to 500. Oh, I know why. That's because my maths is wrong. We don't need this if statement here. I don't think. Oops. Because what it's doing is it's adding to 300. And when as soon as you... Yeah, so... Because as soon as you get to level 2... What it's doing is it's basically just saying... Oh, look, yeah. Right, we see that you've got 300. But it's actually meant to be 250. Because we're doing the level times by 250. So we don't actually need to change anything with the 300. We don't need the second if statement. It hasn't saved. I can guarantee this will work. I don't really want to run over, to be honest, but I guarantee that will work now. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and goodbye. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an upgrade stamina upgrade.